Hello, I'm Susie, sales manager at Wuhan Guanyou New Energy Technology Co. Limited. Welcome to our factory. We are a leading high-tech enterprise specializing in manufacturing solar inverters, car power inverters, and microinverters. With 13 years experience in OEM, ODM manufacturing, we have successfully launched a range of products, including car power inverter, hybrid inverter, and microinverter, providing diverse solutions in the inverter field. We have earned our reputation through quality and gained recognition through excellence. We are committed to delivering safe, efficient, and comfortable new experience to our global customers. Since we started our international trade business back in 2017, we've mainly focused in Europe and the Americas. But last year, we started to work with the clients from the Middle East. Just realized that how huge the potential market is there. We're bigger than we thought. Some countries like Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, and India, with their plenty of sunshine, fast-growing electricity needs, and urgent demand to cut down power costs, are driving strong demand for solar inverters. The market is growing fast, and more companies are jumping in, making the competition really tough. But I believe only the companies that's really focused on quality, keep innovating, and provide great after-sales service will stand out and succeed in the long run. Online, you can easily review great product with just a click, making it super quick to find what you need. Offline, the MEE exhibition is really a fantastic place to check out the industry trends and meet top suppliers. Using both ways together really broaden your options for finding the best deals. This time we will bring these inverters to the MEE exhibition. Now I'd like to introduce this product. This is the pure sine wave inverter. It is widely used in the auto home and the traveling. We can do customize the logo, LCD display, and the output sockets. With the input voltage is 12 and 24 and 48. The output voltage from 110 to 220. This is a hybrid inverter widely used in the solar system. The input voltage is 24 and 48. The output voltage is 220 to 240. This is the display and the 4 buttons. The Amazing April, hosted by Made-in-China.com, is a trade fair. It integrates various resources and collects global suppliers and buyers. To expand our company's sales channel, we are looking for sales agent and distributor in the Middle East market. If you are interested in becoming our sales agent or distributor, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to building a win-win relationship with you.